Hello everyone, so you just had your car ceramic coated and it looks absolutely stunning, but what's next? Here's what you should do after getting your car ceramic coated. First and foremost, give your new ceramic coating some time to cure. It typically takes around 24 to 48 hours, but check with your detailer for the specific curing times. Step 2, avoid washing your car for the first week after coating. This allows the coating to properly bond without interference. Step 3, use good quality car soaps. There are many good quality car soaps out there. Consult your detailer and he should be able to direct you of what kind of car soap to use for your ceramic coated vehicle. Step 4, regular maintenance. Now that your car is ceramic coated does not mean you do not have to wash your car. Keep up with the regular maintenance. While ceramic coatings offer long-lasting protections, they're not invincible. Periodic maintenance, at least a minimum once a month, will help extend the life of your ceramic coating. Step 5, avoid harsh conditions. Try to avoid parking underneath trees where sap can fall. If possible, keep your car out of the direct sunlight for extended periods. I know Guam is hot, but at least you got that ceramic coating to protect your paint. Step 6, professional checkups. Lastly, consider the annual inspection or the annual checkups by professional detailers. They can assess the condition of the coating and advise any necessary touch-ups or maintenance. And there you have it. By following these specific steps, you can keep your ceramic coated car looking glossy and protected for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and to give us a call if you're interested in any of our ceramic coating details.